So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the new library for the Jetpack Compose Navigation introduced by Google. So let's get started. So first you need to go to the Toml file and you need to define the versions here, Compose Navigation version and serialization. So serialization we have to use for the type safety, okay? And you need to define the modules libraries is here, and you need to define the kotlin-serialization plugin here. And let's go back to the build on Gradle app level file, and you need to define the plugin here, and you need to define the dependencies here, okay? So it's similar to Voyager if you have experience working with the Kotlin multi-platform. So first you need to define the routes. So let's say serializable and object and screen a route. And if you want to pass the parameters, then as you know that we can't create the constructor of the object, so we have to use the data class, serial data class, and screen be route, okay? Let's say var first name string comma var last name string var, let's make it optional, okay? Gender string, okay? And we have to create the nav controller here. Var nav controller is equal to remember nav controller, here we go. And you need to create the UI for screen A and screen B. So let's create a package screens, and we need to define the screen A, okay? Add a composable fun, and we need to pass a modifier here, and on, let's say on navigate, okay? And column here, and modifier comma vertical arrangement dot center comma horizontal alignment dot center horizontally. And we need to define the text here, let's say, or we can say button here, text navigate to screen B, okay? On click on navigate dot invoke, okay? For screen B, screen B route, okay? So I will show you why I have passed the data class as a parameter, okay? Column, let's say modifier or field size comma vertical arrangement center comma horizontal alignment text like is screen out dot first name, last name is dot last name, gender is dot gender. Yep. So we need to define the navigate back button. So let's say on get okay. Let's say create a text button. Dot invoke go back. Okay, let's go back to the main activity and let's create a nav pause nav controller, and instead of grad we need to define the start destination, screen a route, and composable screen a route, screen a modifier dot fill max size, dot padding, inner padding. Okay, otherwise it will show the red line under this. Okay, okay. So nav controller dot navigate screen b route, let's say Muhammad my first name, Danish my last name, and enter the value. Okay, and we need to define another composable screen b route, let's say screen b, and we need to pass the arguments here. So let's say it dot to route bingo, and we need to navigate to back to the screen. So simply we call navigate control dot pop up backstep. Okay, seems like everything is done. So run the application. First name is Muhammad and last name is Danish and gender is male. Okay, go back, bingo, and let's make it null. Okay, and rerun the application. Is null. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. If you have any question, then let me know in the comment section. So I will upload the project on the GitHub.